I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run.
That's it.
Really? He's really gonna do that?
Hey guys. Alright, so we are at the mall today because we are going on a trip to New York. And guess who's here? Papi. Hey. Papi. Hey. Oh. Papi. Coco. Kiki. Kiki. Eh? New York. You're going to New York, Papi.
We're going to New York, and it's cold in New York. I don't want to. Right, baby, we don't want to go. He's looking at you. It's a Paola.
Hey, Papi. Are you ready, Papi?
Are you ready, Paola?
Te amo. Papi, you're traveling, Papi.
Once we go through security, that's it. You're gonna have all the food you want.
Papi, in the first video, you didn't even fit in the stroller.
Do you remember? He didn't fit in there because he was so little. Because he was like wobbling around.
Goo. Goo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very full flight to LaGuardia. We will be monitoring your bags. You're not monitoring your bags. One personal item. Anything more that needs to be checked complimentary to your final destination. Once again, very full flight. We appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah? Goo?
Papi, you're back in New York, Papi. You slept the whole flight, Papi.
Such a good boy.
We're here picking up the maleta.
Picking up the maleta. Picking up the luggage. You're gonna speak that slang that your daddy speaks. Spanglish. Is that your
I
bag?
love you, Papi.
No, it's not your bag. I love you, papi. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Look at all those birds after food. Elijah is sleeping. They told me that it was cold, and it is cold in New York, but it's not.
It's not freezing cold. I don't know why.
It's not freezing cold. People are dramatic. We just came from Florida. We had
the sun is out though. Maybe that's why.
We had 2 months out in Florida. We were in the hot, we're used to the hot, and we come out here. It's supposed to be cold for us,
and it's not. Everybody's complaining.
And it's not. I could have been in a hoodie.
For real, I had like freaking 2 shirts on and a freaking sweater and I'm like a little bear.
He's sleeping there. Papi.
He's so stupid.
It is Elijah's first time on a train today. He's never been on a train, ever. Elijah, is your first time on a train. Papi, and you're sleeping. You're not gonna see the train. You're sleeping, baby, wake up.
Oh, you know what? We should refill it like $10. We're gonna come back anyway. Come on.
Oh.
You have to look at it.
I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run.
That's it.
Really? He's really gonna do that?
Where's he going? The city?
Wow. Like, wow. Yeah. I was trying to help the people get in the train.
Yeah, they were just being freaking jerks.
Elijah, your first time on the train.
Is available. BX12.
And you're sleeping. So warm, puppy. Going to Times Square, Grand Central. We were up here, somewhere around there, and now we're going around here. Poppy, you're awake?
He's like, what?
You're awake, Poppy? Poppy, you're on the train for the first time, Poppy.
happy about it. He's like, what? Oh, they gave us a side eye.
Are you grumpy? You wanna keep sleeping?
It's okay.
Right now, puppy.
He's still sleeping. I can't believe it.
Guys, we're in Grand Central. You've probably seen this in movies. City bikes.
Look at you, cozy with daddy.
And this is my first time with a, what's it called?
I don't know. A carrier, a baby carrier, mobile.
Baby
something?
carrier. He fell asleep right away. Well, not right away. As soon as we came outside, he fell asleep.
He looks like a little bear.
Está ahí durmiendo, mira qué lindo. Papi, it's your first time in Times Square. Well, Grand Central, 42nd.
Yeah, we're not in Times Square yet. We're in Grand Central.
We're on 42nd Street, but Times Square is that.
You sure he's not like cold? Your hands are
You
not.
know, the popular stuff is that. But still, you're in the city for the first time on 42nd Street.
Yummer, yummer.
Grand Central Terminal.
Right there. Off we go. Can I take a picture of you real quick?
Please report the front. Visit service, Richard.
This is where the Commuter movie was. We just saw it like a week ago.
Oh yeah. That's what it's called, the commuter?
Commuter with Liam Nelson.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Popeye.
We're going to the train to go back home.
Well, we're not gonna go home. Mommy's gonna go do something at the lawn real quick.
Oh, she's going to the business.
Going to the business.
Should have let me go first.
Is it transfer or no?
I have no idea.
No, I didn't. Okay, uptown. Actually, we should take the shuttle and then take the one. Come on.
We're on the S-Line train.
49.
It's known because of the colors.
There's only one stop.
This is just a transfer in between avenues from east to west. So now is your first time in Times Square, but underground. Look how packed this is. It's your first day on the train.
Don't want it.
I just spit it out. Papi, we made it to Dykeman. Tú tienes un sueño. He likes walking.
It's Dykeman, baby. I wasn't raised in Dykeman, but we were in Dykeman for a really long time since kids because my mom worked.
You were raised because you live next to her job.
Well, actually, you're right. I was, but not raised. I lived there for like a year or two.
You're getting your passport? Huh? Yes.
Hola, papi.
Yeah, baby.
You don't like the hat? Okay. No, okay, no hat, no hat. Okay.
Ya le botaron.
Okay, está bien. It's okay, no hat.
Okay.
¿Qué pasó? Vámonos, let's go. Vámonos, camina, vámonos. Vámonos con mamá. Camina. Let's go, let's
The
go.
craziness
Vámonos, vámonos.
behind it.
Camina. Vámonos con mamá, ven. Oh, cualquiera que lo ve, cualquiera que lo ve. Camina, vámonos, ven. Vámonos con mamá. The quiet kid. Con mamá, vámonos. Ven, let's go, let's go.
Papi.